How to use NRMA Disability Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. NRMA Disability Insurance in Australia is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Despite its importance, many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or even void claims. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong definition can leave you with reduced or no benefits. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits begin. A longer period lowers premiums but leaves you financially exposed. A shorter period increases premiums but provides faster protection. Matching it to your savings and expenses is crucial. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Your coverage should reflect your income, living expenses, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may save money upfront but can leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. NRMA offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Skipping these can limit flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. NRMA requires full transparency during application and claim processing. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, NRMA Disability Insurance Australia can provide strong income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.